Okay guys, I am making a short video on solving quadratic equation by factorization method. Guys, this is a new topic we will start tomorrow on-site classes. So I am making this video for those who are not taking on-site classes. So guys, I am making a short video solving quadratic equation by factorization. This is our new topic. Guys, you know that what does factorize mean? The word factorize mean finishing the term of algebraic expression and make the algebraic expression single term. Now we are doing solving quadratic equation. Now we are doing equation. We know that there are different type of equation. You did linear equation in book 1. Now we are doing quadratic equation. So guys, look here. The first method of solving quadratic equation is factorization method. The second is general quadratic formula. The third is completing the square method. The fourth is graphical method. But now in this book 2, we will only do this method, factorization method. To solve quadratic equation by factorization method, first of all we need this arrangement of quadratic term. So guys, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation mean when the variable has power square. So guys, I just told you when we're doing factorization of factorization, breaking the linear term. So guys, in breaking the linear term, basically we are factorizing quadratic equation. So guys, I told you what is quadratic term, the variable with power square. Any variable with power square. Look here guys, this is quadratic term. When variable has a power, we call it quadratic term. Variable with power 1 we call whole term, the linear term, and no variable mean constant term. So guys, when we solving quadratic equation factorization method, first of all we need this arrangement. We need quadratic term, but we need positive quadratic term. Linear term, constant, and other side is equal to 0. Like this is the formation of quadratic term. This is for our standard form of quadratic equation, ax square. So what is guys ax? We know that this x square is quadratic term. So when we solving quadratic equation with factorization, first of all we need this arrangement. What is a guys? A is guys the coefficient of the quadratic term. What is quadratic term? When the variable with power square. So the coefficient of x square is 1. Then linear term. So guys, what is this b? This b is basically the constant of the linear term. So guys, this 7 is b. And then guys, what is c? C is guys the constant term. So guys, when we solving quadratic equation with factorization method, first of all we check the arrangement of term. So guys, we always need this arrangement: quadratic term, positive, linear term, and constant term. So guys, whenever we solving quadratic equation with factorization method, first of all we need this arrangement of quadratic equation: positive quadratic term, linear term, constant term, other side is 0. This is two important thing guys. We need quadratic term always positive. When we solving quadratic equation, always remember quadratic equation with factorization method, we need quadratic term always positive, then linear term, then constant term, and other side is equals to 0. So guys, these are the two important steps. We need quadratic term positive and other side 0. So this is the first step guys. We check the arrangement. Then yes guys, whenever we have this term we can do factorization. So guys, we know that we just did factorization. There are 4 methods of factorization. Number 1, all common. All common mean guys, we try to find the common factor of number in all the 3 terms. So 1, 7, and 44. Yes, we have a common factor 1, but in all common we never use 1 as a common factor. Then guys, variable is here, but variable is not here. It's mean guys, all common factor is not applying here. Then second method is guys pair common. For pair common we need 4 terms. Here we have guys only 3 terms. Then third method is guys algebraic identity. For algebraic identity guys, we need first term and last term a perfect square number. So guys, this 44 is not a perfect square number. Okay, then last method is breaking the linear term. So guys, now we will solve this quadratic equation by factorization. But which factorization guys? Breaking the linear term method. So guys, remember, I repeat you one thing: when we solving quadratic equation with factorization method, we need positive quadratic term, linear term, constant term on one side, and other side we need 0. So now guys, we are applying breaking the linear term. So guys, we know that in breaking the linear term, step number 1 was quadratic linear constant. We already check it guys. Step number 2 is guys quadratic multiply by constant. So in this equation guys, quadratic is x square, constant is guys, it is minus 44 guys. Constant term is minus 44. So guys, it is minus 44. So plus 1x minus 44 plus minus minus 144 is 44x square. So guys, step number 1, when we doing factorization with breaking the linear term, check arrangement quadratic linear constant. We just check it. Then step number 2, quadratic multiply by constant. So guys, with this product. Step number 3 guys, in step number 3 now we find the factor of this 44 and factor of this x square. So guys, factor of this 44 is 144 the 222 the, then 4 11s are 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So guys, 11 4s it is already here. So when it is repeating, we stop factorization, guys. After this, guys, step number, and guys, what is the factor of this x square? The factor of x square is x into x. Now guys, step number 4. Step number 1, when we solving factorization, when we doing factorization of algebraic expression with breaking the linear term, step number 1, we check order, arrangement, quadratic linear constant, second quadratic multiplier constant, so we get this result, guys. Then factor of 44 and x square. So factor of 44 are 1 and 44, 2 and 22, 4 and 11, and x into x. Step number 4 is, guys, very important, because in step number 4 we will check two things. Number 1, we will break this linear term with the help of any one of the pair of factor. We have 3 pair of factor, these. So with the help of any one of the pair, by addition or by subtraction, we will break this linear term. So we will break this linear term into 2 factor. This x square remains same, this minus 44 remains same, this 0 remains same. So we'll break this plus 7x with the help of any one of the pair by addition or by subtraction. So guys, look here, this is not the valid pair, this is not the, this is the valid pair, guys, 4 and 11. So guys, look here, 4 and 11. So guys, how can we make this 11? By addition or by subtraction? So if we subtract it, we get 7, but if we add it, guys, yes, if we subtract it, we get 7, guys. So guys, how can we get this 7? By subtraction, and subtraction means, guys, 1 plus 1 minus. So because subtraction means different sign, what sign we needed here, guys? Plus. So guys, we put this plus with the bigger number, so plus and minus, plus minus minus, and we put this x square here, x here, x here. Okay guys, plus minus minus, sign of bigger absolute value, we get 7x. And guys, we also check second term. What I said, guys, step number 4, we will check two things. Number 1, we will break this linear term. So we break it, guys. Then number 2, guys, with the help of same factor, we will get this product. So look here, guys, by addition subtraction, we will break the linear term. By multiplication, we will make this, guys. So look here, minus plus minus, 4 11s are 44, x multiplied by x is x squared. So guys, remember, in step number 4, we need two things. With the help of any one of the pair, this is not a valid pair, this is not a valid pair, this pair, with the help of this pair, by addition subtraction, we will make this. By multiplication, we will make the this minus 44 x square. So guys, yes, we get both the thing. So guys, how can we break it? We break it in this manner, guys. Plus 7x, sorry guys, 4 plus 4, this is, guys, plus 4x and minus 11x. After breaking the linear term, after this 4 step number 5 is, guys, pair common. So guys, this is my first pair and this is my second pair. And you know that, guys, in the first pair we only try to take common factor of number and variable. So this time we have a common factor of only variable. X is common in both. So x square divided by x. So guys, we have x left. X cut, guys. So what we have left, guys? X and plus 4 left. When we take common factor in pair, guys, of the second, guys, in the second pair, first of all, we take sign common. If both minus, this is minus, I am taking minus common. Both plus, we will take plus. Otherwise, a sign which give you plus x and plus 4. So guys, what is common? Minus 11 is common. So minus minus is plus. Okay, minus minus is plus. No need to write this plus. Then 11 cut, guys. So we have left x. This x is left, guys. Minus and this minus, guys. Minus minus plus. 11 4s are 44. So guys, we know that when we're doing pair common, I need same bracket. Yes, both the bracket are same. In the last, guys, we write this same bracket as a common factor. We write this bracket and this bracket as a common factor and put this x and this minus 11 inside the bracket. Okay guys, so factorization done. So guys, my topic is not factorization, my topic is solving quadratic equation by factorization method. I told you guys, factorization will help you throughout the whole book. So guys, when factorization is completely done, now factorization is finished. So guys, after this, what we will do now, we will do two new steps. Number 1, we will make two linear equations, first with this first pair and 0, and second linear equation with this second factor and 0. So guys, when factorization is completely done, then we will make two linear equations, first with the first factor and 0, second with the second bracket and 0. So guys, we know that how can we solve the linear equation? We gather variable on one side and number on other side. So guys, 0 minus 4. So guys, it is minus 4. Same thing here guys, 0 minus 11 will become, when we shift on the other side, plus 11. So guys, it is 11.